Good morning, dear children. I hope that you all are keeping well with your family. I hope that you all stay at home and stay safe. And I pray for your first maths class. We start today. I, Bhavna Joshua, will take your maths class from today. Online class. So first of all, I want that you should open your maths book and you go through this explanation. If you have any doubt or confusion, take the help of your parents. So let's see chapter number 1, numbers up to 200. So in this chapter we will study about numbers up to 200. We have already studied numbers 1 to 10, 1 to 50 and 1 to 100. But now in this chapter we will study about numbers up to 200. So here a warm up exercise has been given to you on page number 9. So let's see. Aryan and his friends like collecting stamps. Can you match the numbers of stamps? Each of them have collected with their number names. So here I have done it for you with the help of pencil and scale. As you can see, as I have done this work, I want you should also do this work neatly. So it will be very easy for you to understand what I am teaching and what you have done in your book. So first see the first stamp. It is number is 18 and here you can see Mahi. The girl named Mahi is having 18 stamps. So 18 number is given here. So you match this line with 18. Now 27 goes with Sonia. 59 goes with Ritu. 67 goes with Sumit and the last 70 match with Aryan. So here I have done this match the following for you. I have matched the stamps with the children who have collected the stamps. So let's move on. Arrange the number of stamps in ascending order from small to the bigger number. So here I have done this for you. So first number is 18, second is 27, third is 59, then 67 and the last block you will write the number 70. So who has the most stamps? Aryan. Now Aryan has how many stamps? 70 stamps he has got. So you write the name of Aryan here and how many stamps he has? He has 70 stamps. Who has the least stamps? So you can see 18 is the smallest number and Mahi has got the least number of stamps. So you will write the name of Mahi and how many stamps she has? She has 18 stamps. So write both the numbers in their expanded form. So you will write in the first block 70 is equal to 7 tens and 0 ones because here it has been no digit given in the box. So 70 means 7 tens. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. And here 18 number you will write here 18 is equal to 1 tens, that means 1 plus 1 plus 1, 10 times you plus 1, so it will become 1 tens and 8 ones. So I hope this one is clear for you. I have done it for you in the book. So let's move on to the another page. So as we move to the another page, here it has been given tens and ones. So here you can see how many grapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 110 is equal to 1 and 0, that means 10. Here you can see 5 bunches are there and each bunch has 10 grapes. So it will count as 50 grapes. Each bunch has 10 grapes. So if you will plus 10 in 5, so 5 times you plus 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 10, then another 10 is 30, and plus 10 is 40, and plus 10 is 50. So 5 times you count and plus, so the answer will be 50. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 4 grapes are 1, 2, 3, 4 grapes are extra given here. So each bunch have 6 tens. 6 times you plus 10, so it will become 6, and 4 ones. Here you can see the 4 extra grapes, 4 ones. So that means 64. So 60 tens plus 4 is equal to 64. So we can also show the number on an abacus. So this abacus shows the number 64. So here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tenses, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So 1 digit and 2 digit number. Number from 0 to 9 are 1 digit numbers. So that means 1 digit number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are 1 digit number. 3, 6 and 8 are 1 digit numbers. These numbers have only ones. Number from 10 to 99 are 2 digit number. 11, 36, 57 and 99 are 2 digit numbers. These numbers have ones and tens. So you can see ones is 7. This is 1 digit number, and when you have 2 digit number, it will have tens and ones. So any number from 0 to 9 is 1 digit number, and 10 to 99 is 2 digit number. So let's see the mental maths. Write the numbers of and number names of these groups of objects. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bunch of grapes are given here, and each bunch contains 10 grapes. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 9 bunches are there, so that means it is 90, and 6 others, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones are there, so the total number is 96, and you will write the names of these groups of objects, that is 96. Now see the balloons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each, you cannot count the balloons because it is too much smudging. So the bunch are 7 group of bunches are there. So you write 70 here, and in the name of the group is 70, SEVENTY. So now you can see the exercise. Circle the correct number for the given number's name. 39 I have circled, 47 I have circled, 80 I have circled, 94 I have circled, and 63 also I have circled. Now match the following. As I have said, I have done with pencil and scale. I want each of my students should do the work very carefully and neatly. So 60 plus 8 is 68. 30 plus 5 is 35. 40 plus 7 is 47. 50 plus 0 is 50. And 20 plus 5 is 25. So this exercise I have done for you. Students, I hope that you have understood this and do it in your book. Whatever I have done in this book, you also have to do it in your book. So this exercise has been given on page number 10. So I can show you page number 10. So let's move to the Next exercise. So you can see here, draw beads on the abacus to show these numbers. You may use blue beads for tens and red beads for ones. So 62, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens and 1, 2 ones. You can color it. The tenses, for the 10 you can use red color, and for the blue beads for the tens and red beads for the twos. So 40, 1, 2, 3, 4 you can see here, and you can color it. Students, here I have mentioned So students, to make you confused, I have drawn here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I want that you should do it very correctly. How many beads you have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to color these tenses block with the blue color. These beads you have to color with blue color. Here is 56, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the tenses you will color, that means this side you will color with blue and this side you will color with red. So think cap. Can you guess the number? I am more than 5 tens but less than 6 tens. My ones are the same as the leg of an ant. So ant has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. So here the answer will be 60. I am 6 tens and 2 ones. If you add 5 ones to me, I become 6 tens and 7 ones. So the answer will be 67. So let's explore. The animals are at Sunday fair. 10 animals are already inside. Others are waiting in line to go in. Write the missing ordinal numbers. Choose words from the box. So please see, students, here from the box you have to choose the number and you have to write here 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th. So here these are called the ordinal number. Understood, student? You have to add, after writing 11 you have to add TH, 12 FTH, 13 you write 30 and the last you add TH, 14 you write and afterwards you write TH, 15 you write and you add TH. So I think that you have understood. So 17, so you write 17 and after 17 you add TH, and 16 and you add TH, 19 you add TH, 18 you write TH and 20th you write. After writing 20th you see TWE, double N, TWE and TIETH. So do you stand in a line to wait for your turn? Mention any 2 places where you do so. Why do you think it is important to do so? So you write the answer by your own, that what are the 2 places where you stand in the queue and you wait for your turn to get inside. For example, you go to the city mall or any mall and you go for the cinema to watch cinema, so you have to stand in the queue to wait for your turn to take the tickets. So I have given you one example. Another example, if you go to see any fair, or recently in our Gorakhpur the zoo has also been inaugurated by our respected CM, and you can, when you will go there, you have to wait for your turn to come and to purchase the ticket, and it is very important for you because your turn comes and you can go and see that particular thing properly. So I think that you have understood this much, and for the next term we'll continue. We have completed up to page number 11. I can show you page number 11 we have completed. Please complete all these exercises in your book. The copy work will be sent by the teacher. Okay, I hope that you will stay safe at home. Don't go here and there unnecessary, and maintain the distance, children. So do this work in your books. Thank you for the class.